How to create a second YouTube channel in same account in mobile. Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create a second YouTube channel in same account in mobile. So let's get started. First of all, you're going to head over and open any of the search engine you have. For this tutorial, I'm using an iOS device. If you have an Android, you can follow similar steps because the steps are the same on both of the devices. So head over, open any of the search engine and simply type in youtube.com. And once you do so, you'll be redirected to the interface of YouTube. Now, the next thing that you're going to do is request a desktop version. To do that, you're going to click on this over here, and then you're going to click on these three dots. And here you're going to click on request desktop website. And once you do so, you'll be taken over to the desktop version of YouTube, where you can simply add new channels and edit features that you can simply do on your desktop version. So the desktop version will look something like this. Now what you need to do is simply zoom in with your fingers and redirect yourself to the profile. Now here's the profile, so you're going to simply click on it and you're going to sign into your account. I have already signed in. Now if you wish to create a new channel, what you're going to do is simply click on your profile. And once you do so, you'll be able to see a couple of options. So what you need to do is scroll down and click on settings. So once you click on settings, you'll be redirected to the settings of YouTube. Now over here, you'll be able to see an option that says create a new channel. But if you're not able to find the option, you're going to click on account over here, and then you'll be able to see this that says create a new channel. So you're going to simply click on create a new channel. And once you do so, you'll be redirected to something like this. So you're going to give any name, and then you're going to give a handle, and then you're going to head over and click on create channel. And once you do so, you'll be taken over to another interface. And after that, you'll be redirected to your YouTube, and you can see that you have successfully created a new channel. And you can see that I am logged in with another account and I am able to view that channel. That means that the channel has been created. So that was basically how you can create a second YouTube channel in same account in mobile. So if you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.